Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view saved photos with a specific friend on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the latest steps to quickly find and revisit those memorable snaps you and your friend have saved in your chat. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page, where you can see your Snap score, trophies, and of course, your friends list. Next, tap on the My Friends section. Here, you'll see a list of all your Snapchat friends. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the friend whose saved photos you want to view. When you found their name, press and hold down on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, tap on their Bitmoji or profile to open the friendship profile. This special profile is where Snapchat keeps track of your shared memories, streaks, and more. Now scroll down until you see the Saved in Chat section. This area displays all the photos and videos that you and your friend have chosen to save in your chat together. You'll be able to browse through everything you've both saved, whether it's funny moments, important info, or just snaps you didn't want to lose. If you want to see even more, look for a button that says View All Saved. Tapping this will show you the complete list of saved media between you and that friend, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, only snaps that were saved in your chat will appear here. If you don't see a photo you're looking for, it might not have been saved, or it could have been deleted by you or your friend. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can revisit all your favorite saved photos with any friend on Snapchat. Try it out and relive those shared moments whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping.